bustling trader's office, surrounded by flickering monitors and intricate stock charts. One man stands out, weary yet filled with relentless ambition. He yearns for that big break that could change everything. Suddenly, a sly whisper fills the air, soft yet tantalizing. It's the devil, lounging comfortably on his shoulder, a mischievous grin playing on his lips. Play big or go home, loser. Forget about stops. Small profits aren't a man's game. Time is running out. You're getting old. The trader hesitates, stealing glances at his screens, a storm of thoughts brewing. The devil's words echo in his mind, igniting a dangerous thrill. The prospect of quick wealth lights a fire within him. Just when he feels that rush, a flicker of doubt arises, almost imperceptibly. As the devil chuckles, he succumbs to temptation, trading 500 shares instead of the usual 100. Instantly, he feels the weight of his decision. He loses money, and despair washes over him. The devil roars with laughter. See, you broke your own rules. In that moment of defeat, ambition meets consequence.